Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. What we'll be doing today is the installation of the Beautopia lashes, and this is what comes in the kit. I bought the smaller version of it, and these are the lashes here. This is the bond and seal, and I'll just place close-up pictures of it at the side of me here. Also the spoolie that you get. Now I've already done this eye here, as you can see, and this is my natural lashes here. So I used 6/10 on this eye, 5 9s and 1 8. So I'm just going to replicate that on this eye, and I'll show you guys exactly. I'm doing it in real time so you guys can see exactly what I am doing and how I'm applying it. Now when I did this eye, it was the first time that I applied lashes like these on a whole, but if it is you could finagle strip lashes, this is even more simple. Anybody can do it. You just have to take your time, and again, use a mirror and go as close to your mirror as you need to in order to see what you're doing so that you wouldn't damage your eye. But it's on my eye. It feels very it feels natural. It doesn't feel as though I have anything else on my eyes, to be totally honest. But again, everybody is different. What may not bother me may potentially be irritating for somebody else. So this is what this looks like under the lashes, and this is under the lashes on the regular one. So I'm just going to turn my camera, get a close-up of it, because I'm using my camera filming as my mirror because I'm unable to rig up a mirror close to me. So let's just jump right into that, guys, and we'll watch in real time exactly how I apply this. I'm touching the lashes on my next eye, which is weird. So this is the 5th lash, as I said before. I was just getting a little trouble with it, so I'll bring the mirror a bit closer so that I'll be able to see. Hope you guys could see exactly what I'm doing. And I just have this extension here. So what I'm going to do is I'm applying the seal, which is on the other end. So this, they have it marked off on the bottle, bond and seal, but the bond, the applicator looks like a little mascara one, and the seal looks like this. And I just basically wait for that to dry. Then I comb the lashes out, and as you guys can see, this is what my eyes look like when I've already applied all the. So guys, one little thing I want to just add in. What I will do is I will update the description box as to how long these lashes lasted on me. It may take a few days because it's said to last between 6 days to a week. So I would come back in the description of this video and I would update and let you know exactly how long it lasted and how it held up. So again, this is what my lashes look like here. So guys, as I said before, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.